You've probably heard of stuffed potatoes and stuffed peppers, but this stuffed chicken fajita bomb recipe takes it to the next level. Made with onions, red, green and yellow bell peppers, cream cheese, pepper jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, chicken breasts and some seasoning ingredients, chicken fajita bombs are surprisingly easy, quick and ridiculously delicious. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 100 grams of chopped onion. There we go. Once they've softened, add 30 grams of red, yellow and green bell pepper. Stir everything together. Now it's time for some seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Continue to heat for a few minutes, stirring continuously. Now pour into a large bowl. Add 100 grams of cream cheese, pepper jack cheese and 50 grams of mozzarella cheese and stir through. Mix with a wooden spoon until it's a creamy mixture like this one. Now lay out 3 chicken breasts and season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Use your hands to gently rub the seasoning in. Flip the chicken over and repeat the seasoning again, making sure to rub it in nicely. Press the chicken down flat and cut most of the way through the chicken breast with a sharp knife to create an opening like this. Then spoon a good helping of your cheesy mixture inside. Once it's filled, press the meat down again to seal the parcel. Now oil up a frying pan and grill your chicken for about 15 minutes on one side. Keep the oil circulating. Now time to flip it over carefully, making sure that the stuffing remains inside the chicken, and continue to cook until the bottom side of the chicken is golden brown, just like the other side. Like this. Now it's time to serve up with a little guacamole and salad. Talk about a taste explosion! Enjoy your chicken fajita bombs.